In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a broken iPad pencil tip. Part of the tip is still broken within the iPad pencil. Take the tip and place it on the pencil. You're going to screw it on, and what you're trying to do is screw it off and try to get the piece that's still stuck in there loose. Holding the tip with pliers, keep twisting, and eventually it will become loose and it will pop right off. We have a package of iPad pencil tips. The package comes with 4 tips for approximately $20 from the Apple Store. You put the tip on the iPad pencil, twist, and continue twisting until tight. And that's it. You have a working iPad pencil again.
Yay!